is Wanjogu Mathenge. I run Kaia Leather. Kaia Leather was founded in 2021, January 2021. So it's been in operations for slightly more than 3 years. We make leather products. We design and make handbags for women. We design and make laptop bags for men and other products that are similar to that. It could be a sling bag or a body bag. It could be a toiletry bag. It could be a pencil pouch. Sometimes we do combine leather with canvas because we find that those two go very well together. They complement each other. I've loved leather for the longest time, and 5 years before Kaia started, I saw products in the market, but they were quite expensive. They were quite out of budget. But then I discovered that in Ethiopia, products are affordable, and I wondered why the difference. When I did my research is when it hit me, I can actually make affordable products. That's how Kaia was founded, and that's how Kaia has been since then. I do design the products. We work together with the fundis here at the workshop, but my mantra is simplicity. The stitching should be well done. The accessories we use, like the metal accessories, should be top-notch. We go to tanneries to source our materials, and we just don't pick any leather. We need to get the best one. Simple designs last forever. Yeah. We do market on Instagram at Kaia Leather Designs, on Facebook, Kaia Leather, on X. We use these platforms because of the reach they have. The fact that our products are of good quality just attracts people, and the pricing is reasonable. It attracts people. A lot of people who are buying our products are people who love leather and want affordable leather products. Most of our customers currently are Kenyan, local. What has kept our business going is Kenyans. Kaia's strategy is to supply leather products in the whole of Africa, and also work with people who also want to sell leather products and make them for them. They can bring their designs and we make products for them. I want Kaia to be unshakable. Last year, I applied for the Twende Digital project that is hosted by Kenya Private Sector Alliance, KEPSA. We were shortlisted, Kaia Leather, to be trained, number one. We've already gone through the validation process of them coming here to the workshop, ensuring that it's an actual business happening. We've now been recruited into a training. We will start in the coming week on how to use digital marketing platforms to market our products better. And we will start specifically with brand development and brand recognition. So I'm really grateful to KEPSA for this opportunity. So the Kenya Leather Development Council is training the youth to make quality leather products. The training includes how to stitch well, how to cut patterns well, how to develop concepts of leather design products. We appreciate that as manufacturers of leather products, because then that means we are able to hire fundis who are well trained to make our products. When you're starting a business, no, you can't do it alone. You need people around you. So what I would encourage someone is just start from where you are. Also, don't wait for things to align. They might never align. Start from where you are, start with what you have, and you'll be surprised at what opportunities will come your way because you started that business.